I feel you as a parent, not knowing what your child is watching on YouTube, the safe space it's supposed to be. So today I'm going to show you how to put on age restriction on YouTube so that your kids can watch without you having to worry. So it's very simple. You click on Google or whatever browser you use. So now that you're in on youtube.com, you want to go here to your profile. Look down here and see restricted mode, and you can see it's off, so we're gonna press that, and then we can see here activate restricted mode. So I'm pressing that, and you can see a whole new section of videos coming up that are not age restricted in any way. So that should help. And to make things a little bit better, we can go in here again on your profile, go down to the restricted mode again, and here you can see lock restricted mode on this browser, so that if your kid goes in on youtube.com again, it's gonna keep on being restricted so that you don't have to do it every time. So you press that, and what's gonna happen then is you're gonna have to write your password on your Google account. And once you've done that, you should be able to relax every single time that your kids watch YouTube on their iPad or whatever. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and watch out for more how-to videos to make your days easier.